We are exploring the hidden gems of Goa right now, and to get to this one particular point we have to literally walk through this jungle right now, and it is so amazing. It's beautiful. I'm sure the view from there will be worth it. We have Akshay and Shweta already there waiting for me.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Hi, that's Shweta, by the way, if you guys never met her. So we had a small hike from up there, but it was quite intense. We are now trying to go on the other side and find a place there. Shit, yeah, you know it. Like, you would think walking down was so hard, and yet you find shit like this here. How disappointing. Like, how hard is it for people to just take their trash back with them? Like, I just don't get it.